So there's tons of parks in my town. I don't want to highlight every single park, but I will do a video on Silver Lake one of these days. I'm just out here today to get some pictures and fly the drone, have some fun. All right, we have landed at Silver Lake Park. Pretty packed today. Hopefully we'll run across some geese over there we can get some pictures of. My plan is to fly the drone over in that corner and just get above the lake. Just get some nice shots. Lazy day, it's really nice. It's about 85 degrees. I'm just gonna go ahead and hope that's not a dead body. Fingers crossed. Alright, so there's where the bridge goes to. You can see the paths. Those trails go all around Rochester, all along this river. This is the Zumbro River. It cuts through Rochester. It connects to the Mississippi. So in 1978, this entire town was underwater. Here's downtown. It's a pretty amazing story. Then after that, they put a lot of money into what they called the flood project at the time, and they deepened and widened all the river channels that were shallow all along the Zumbro and through Rochester, and then they put bike paths on the sides of them, and then even if it ever would flood up that high as the bike paths again, they're still widened them even farther. You can kind of see over there is a bike path. Behind the bike path you see those rocks that go up the hill still, are kind of layered. That's still part of the project. That's how deep that's how much deeper they went. Okay, we're gonna set up and try to shoot some drone footage. Let's find a place to launch.